Good morning, students. Today I will discuss questions of exercise 5A. Till question number 6 I have told you to do because those I have already told about that type of questions in my last video. So from question number 7 I will be discussing right now. Right, students? So question number 7. The question number 7, first question is simplify each of the following and express each as a rational number. Matlab the question is for the simplification. Simplify means you have to convert the given exponential form into the rational number. So how we will do? 3 by 2 raised to power 4 into 1 by 5 raised to power 3. So first of all, we will see whether we can apply any exponent laws or not. So here the base are different, so we cannot apply any exponent laws. So what we have to do is we simply expand the exponents and then we have to simplify. So here it is 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 into 1 by 5. Like this we can do. So you can see whether we are having the answers in the given format. So yes, students. So I was just confirming with the last the given answer. So what I will do is I will multiply 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, 3s are 81. Because there is no simplification, no standard form, no common factors between numerators and denominators. So simply we multiply all the numbers in numerator and simply we multiply all the numbers in the denominator. So what will be the answer over here? 2 5s are 10. This will become 10, this will become 10 and this will become. So it is 2000, I suppose. Right? So answer is this. Now what about question number 2 of this? The question number 2 stated minus 2 by 3 raised to power 5 into minus 3 by 7 raised to power 3. Again, students, here you will check whether we are the bases are same or not, or whether we can apply any laws of exponent or not. So here we cannot apply any laws of exponent. So what I do is I simply expand this exponential form and do the needful. So here I do minus 2 by 3 multiplied 5 times. So minus 2 by 3. Like this, and then minus 3 by 7, minus 3 by 7, minus 3 by 7. Right? So here this 3 eliminated by this 3. I am not eliminating negative. A negative will remain over there. 3 is over here. 3 again. No other terms will be eliminated. So what is my answer? First I leave this sign part. I just multiply 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32 and that's it. What about denominator? 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are 343 I suppose, and 343 9s are. So I will just multiply over here. 9 3s are 27, 2, 9 4s are 36, 37 38, 30. So it is 3087. Right? Is this the complete answer? No, it is not the complete answer. I have left the sign part. We have to check. So first you count, it is the negatives are even or odd. So if the negatives are even number, so it will, there is positive sign. If even number of negatives are odd, so it will be negative sign. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Because the number of negative term is 8, that is even number, so we are having plus sign, not the So answer is what? 32 by 3087 answer. So like this, we will be doing each and every question of this question. Second question, third question also will be done same like. I am doing now the fifth part. Fifth part is something little bit different. See, in the fifth question, how we will do? The fifth one is minus 3 by 4 power 3 minus 5 by 2 power 3 into 4 raised to power square. So students, how we will do this? Again, that Bodmer's rule apply over here. So in the Bodmer's rule, what I say is कि first we solve the bracket. So here the bracket is over here. So I will solve the first bracket. So here there is nothing. We have to simplify this. So I just write in the expanded form. Okay, and here minus 5 by 2 into minus 5 by 2 into minus 5. Just for my sake, I have written 4 square can be written simply like that only. So nothing can be that eliminated over here. The 3 3s are 9 3s are 27, and what is the sign? 1 2 3. So 4 negative signs are there. So 3 negative signs are there. So minus. And here 64. And what about here? 1 2 3 4. Total 4 negative signs are there. So sign will become positive. 5 5s are 25. 5s are 125. Okay. Now next part, what I do is minus, now I take the LCM of 64 and 4. What is the LCM of 64 and 4? It is 64. So minus 27 is written like here only. And how much I should multiply in this to get 64? So 16 only. So I multiply 16 over here. Let's see what is the answer. 16 5s are 80, 8 carry, 16 2s are 32 plus 8 40, 16 1s are 16 plus 4 20. 2000 into 4 square. So again in the next step, this is one negative, this is positive. I will subtract from here. Minus 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 1. So 1973 divided by 64. Now the bracket part is simplified. Now I open the bracket. So it is. So here I can write 4 square as what? 4 4 ja 16. And now this 16 and this 64 can be eliminated. So 16 1s are, and here 16 4s. You can check in the last whether answer is given in mixed term or not. Otherwise, this is also correct answer. Right? So, this is how we do the question number 7. Now, question number 8 is based on laws of exponent. That is also the simplification, but that question we will do by the laws of exponent. The laws of exponent, again I will revise it. If the two numbers having this are multiplied in the exponential form having the same base, so what is that? I write over here. If am into an is multiplied, so it is am plus n. Okay, and when am divided by an is there, so it is equal to am minus n. So when the division is there and the bases are same, power get subtracted. When the bases are same, power get added when we are multiplying. So question number 8 states, number 1, simplify and express each as a rational number. 4 by 9 raised to power 6 into 4 by 9 into minus 4. So here students, as you can see, my both the rational numbers are same. Here also it is 4 by 9 and here also it is 4 by 9. So what to do? What we will apply? This one. The bases are same, the powers get added. So this is implied. AM into AN means AM plus N. This implies 4 by 9 into 6, 4 by 9 is equal to 4 by 9, 6 plus, because it is minus 4, so I write down minus 4. Because 2 sign we cannot write simultaneously, so I kept the bracket. So what is that? 4 by 9. Now I solve the upper part. It is plus minus is minus, 6 minus 4. So 4 by 9 power is 2. 4 by 9 into 4 by 9. 16 by 81. This is answer. Okay. So this is by applying laws of exponent. Here also you can have the question like that. We can solve it by the just expansion form as we have done in the previous question. But no students, because here the bases are same, we have to apply the exponent, laws of exponent. If we are not applying this laws of exponent, then what is the use of reading laws of exponent? So we have to revise this and we have to see if laws of exponent are applicable, then we must apply laws of exponent over there. And if it is not, if the question is like that कि वहाँ पे laws of exponent apply ही नहीं हो सकता है, then you just simply simplify the by expansion, right? So all the question number 8 is similar. Just in the second one, minus 3 plus 2 will become minus 1. So you have to be reciprocate the term. I can do like here only. The second part is minus 7 by 8 raised to power minus 3 into minus 7 by 8 raised to power minus, it's only 2. So here I just make direct minus 7 by 8 raised to power minus 3 plus 2. Here I have not put the bracket because no two sign comes simultaneously. Together it's not coming. That's why I don't put the bracket as I have done in the previous question. So here one is negative, one is positive, minus 1. And what is the reciprocal of this? 8 by minus 7. So no need to write plus 1. So this will be the answer. Okay. So like this we will be doing the questions. Now we come to question number 9. Question number 9 is the negative exponent questions basically, and others questions are also there. So we will see how we will do it. The first part is 5 raised to power minus 3. So first of all, what I have to do? 1 by 5 raised to power 3. It will be in the reciprocal. And then simplify. 5 into 5 into 5. 1 by 125. What about the second question? Minus 2 raised to power minus 5. So minus 2 comes in the reciprocal and this will become. And then now expand. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now simplifying, the answer will be 1 by 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32. And now the negative part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because odd number of terms are there. So what I do is minus 1 by 32. Right? So this is how we do our questions. One more questions I can go through from this question number 9. Question number 5 I will be doing. Question number 9, fifth part. Minus 3 raised to power minus 1 into 1 by 3 raised to power minus 1. So first of all we have to solve it. So how we will solve it? So this is, first of all, this can be written as minus 3 and this is reciprocal. So 3 by 1, no need to write the sign of the power. Now this and this can be eliminated. So 1 and 1 minus 1. So this is answer is what? Minus 1. The fifth one. What about the next? Sixth also similar question. The seventh question you can see. Seventh one is 5 raised to power minus 1 minus 7 raised to power minus 1. So what I will do, first I will solve the bracket. So this can be written as 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 minus 1. 7 5s are 35. 7 minus 5 minus 1. 2 by 35 raised to power minus 1. 35 by 2. Answer. If you require, you can convert it into the exponents, so mixed form also. Similarly, we can do question number 8, question number 9 and question number 8. What about the question number 10? 23 by 25 power 0. So it's always equal to 1. Right. One more question I will try do the question number 10th and then we will move rest of all the questions. Till question number 10 you have to complete in your copy. So my next question is what? Question number 10th. Question number 10 states there are multiple powers of a same number. Minus 1 by 4 power 2, then more power minus 2, and then one more power that is equal to how much? Minus 1. So here which laws apply? If A has the power m and here n, so both the powers get multiplied. So this can be minus 1 by 4. Here 3 powers are there, so each powers get multiplied. So this can be written as minus 1 by 4. 2 to the 4. And what about the sign? Two negative numbers are there, so positive. Now do minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 for the 16, for the 64 and 4. 256. 256. And then it is plus. So this is how students you will be doing this question. I don't think so till question number 10th any requirement of Google Meet, but if still there is any problem I will be giving link on today's lectures with today's lecture only. So if you have any problem, so we are meeting on Friday to discuss on the Google Meet, right student? So by this video I am giving you the link and we are meeting on Friday for any doubts regarding this. Okay then.